Hello, you guys. Today we're gonna do a all key loss situation for Jetta 08 all key lost. We're gonna be doing it using Autel. By the way, the chip that we're gonna be using is gonna be the TP23 generated. So when you have the key, you're just gonna go to the car, make sure you connect to the internet, and we're gonna start doing it. So we put the car in on position, and we're just gonna go to VW. Hard to get a place without the glare, but I will just tell you what I'm doing. So we're just gonna go to Smart Selection, and we're just gonna hit yes. It's a key 48. The key learning function will erase all the keys. So basically you need to have all the keys that you want to work for the car now. If the keys are not here, they're just not gonna work. So just be aware of that. So we're just gonna hit escape on that. We're just gonna press the key learning function, and we're just gonna press OK. So we're gonna make a dealer key, so we're just gonna place the key there, and we're gonna hit yes. Dealer key successfully generated. We don't want to do a next one. So we want to learn one key. Turn ignition off. And then turn it on and press OK. Within 30 seconds, you need to insert each key and to turn it to on. Key learning is completed. Now it tells us if you want to do it again, you can just do it later. But it says it's completed, so now we're going to try starting the car. Now remember before, there was an key lost, so when you try to start the car, it will start and shut off immediately after. So now we're going to give it a try. Yeah, give me some power. You want some power? Yeah. Alright. So we gave some car a booster, and now we're going to give it a try. Car starts and stays on. Key is totally perfect. So key works perfectly. So again, the method will just be going on Smart Selection on the VW while the key is on the ignition, and then you're just gonna press the key learning options, which is right here, and it's gonna do everything automatically. And the key that will need to be generated will need to be an Xsource TP23. So now we're gonna go do the remote part of the key. We use the Xsource ID number that. We're gonna go to the option remote control learning. So we press the unlock of the door. Now we're gonna press and every time we press the remote, the blinkers hazard lights was flashing. So now we're gonna test the remote. Yeah, it is working. So this is how it looks when you press the remote. The flashes are flashing, so you know that your control has been accepted. And then you're just gonna wait for that to finish. So thank you guys for watching. This is how you do all key lost situation and an 08 Jetta using Xsource key with a generated remote and with a generated chip. In an all key lost situation, we just do key learning. It's a one-stop shop.